Hey guys, so today we are at Emerald Pool. This place is a must visit if you're coming to Karabi especially. This has a lot of beautiful things inside, so keep with us to watch it. Okay, come let's go. So we got to know that Emerald Pool is approximately 1 kilometer walk from here. So this is the parking area. As you can see, they have a beautiful parking area where you can park your vehicles. Also, it's quite green, and everywhere you can see there are coconut trees along with the supari trees and all over here everywhere. So now we are heading towards the Emerald Pool. So I'll show you up the Emerald Pool and all, and we'll give a honest review on it. Is it worth the hype or not still? We are at the entrance of the Emerald Pool. As you can see, the ticket over here is 400 baht for adults and 200 baht for children. And the timing of opening timing is at 8:30 am and close at 4:30 pm. So if you're coming, do come early. If not, you're gonna miss a lot of things over here. And this is the entrance. And from here as well, you have to walk 1 kilometer. Okay, so let's check it out. Come. Even the view is good actually. See here. Everywhere you can see there's a pool going on, and even the greenery, the birds chirping, everything is mind blowing here. So guys, this is the place you have to move on from here. It's almost about 1 kilometers from here, and it's a completely like a forest area everywhere. There's a lot of greenery and all. So you have to walk over here in order to reach the pools. They are saying that they have here around some 3 to 4 pools. So we'll go to each pool and like look onto it how it is. Guys, in order to reach early, since we have come late, we are doing jogging and going, since it is almost about 600 meters from my place exactly where I am. So I'm jogging and going towards it. So you can look onto the view as well. It's mind blowing and a lovely place to jog as well. So now it shows 400 meters. Still, as you can see, there's more about 400 meters pending. So why not run and go and see it as soon as we can. Come, let's go. The beauty is marvelous over here. As you can see, the trees and all, everything is mind blowing over here. So also, if you're walking over here, be sure that you don't touch anything else, because as you can see, there are a lot of trees over here which have thorns and all, which are quite dangerous, and sometimes it can be poisonous as well. So avoid touching those and all. And the view is mind blowing. Oh, how do you say about it, Hamza?
It's good. We are also getting tired because we were running.
Correct. We were running, so we're tired. Even there, Adnan is also there. Even he is tired. So this is the view, and still we have around 200 meters to go. Let's check it out. Come. So finally we are at the Emerald Pool entrance. Now let's check it out how it looks. Are you guys excited? Yeah, let's check it out. So we are moving forward to the Emerald Pool. As you can see, the beauty is marvelous. It's just like an imagination or dream, you can say it as. It's so beautiful that with eyes you can't even feel it. That much beautiful. It's actually crazy, guys. Once you see such beauty, you'll go crazy as how I'm going. As you can see, the floating water is so relaxing and charm. So now let's check it out how the Emerald Pool is. They're saying it's on that side, so we are going over there to show you up. Okay, come, let's go. So guys, this is the Emerald Pool. The pool is marvelous. It looks quite green in color, and it's mind blowing, I would say. It's so relaxing that you can enjoy over there. Also, you can swim as well. Hello. So do visit if you're coming to Karabi. Then Emerald Pool is a must visit. It's absolutely amazing. The greenery inside, the color, the scenery, everything is mind blowing. So if you're coming to Karabi, then you have to visit the Emerald Pool. So guys, we are finally at the Emerald Pool. As you can see, I am inside the Emerald Pool. So here you can see the water is coming directly from the mountains itself. Also, it's very warm as well. So you can see. Guys, as you can see, I am inside the Emerald Pool. So this is the pool where everyone talks about in Karabi. This is a must-try experience. The water is warm. Also, as you can see, the water is coming directly from the mountains itself. Okay. Also, it's not deep as well. Directly, it's like around 5 feet deep. Also, it looks marvelous. The experience is amazing. You must try it if you're coming to Karabi. So this is the pool, and this is the how it looks, everything and all. It's a must try experience if you're coming to Karabi. I'll show you up from there as well how the pool is. It has corals inside it and all. It has stones and all inside it. And you can see there, this is the pool, Emerald Pool. And it's a must try experience and it's amazing, literally. Guys, Emerald Pool is over now. Now we are heading towards the Blue Pool, which opens at 10, closes at 3:30 p.m. The Emerald Pool is a must-try experience. I definitely loved it a lot. Now we are heading towards the Blue Pool. This is the way towards it. Let's check it out how it is. Come. So guys, this looks like we are doing a Bear Grylls adventure, walking in the real jungle. As you can see there, it is like a real jungle. Everywhere there's greenery. Also, there's one more thing over here is that there are snakes, venomous animals as well. So it's a different experience overall over here. As you can see here, there are a lot of like roots over here present. Also, the beauty is marvelous. It's a next level experience, like as if we are doing in a real jungle. It feels the same. As you can see, they're everywhere. We have just green, green, green. That's it. Nothing else. There's no one to save you. Nothing. But it's mind-blowing experience. Do try it out. Finally, after adventurous walk and trekking, we have finally came to the Blue Pool. This is the pool for which you have to walk 1 kilometers. It's an inclined walk. Also, it's quite marvelous experience. You get to see jungle and all in the middle, full greenery. And this pool is actually worth visiting. It's a lovely pool, as you can see, in around the entire forest area. Also, there are fishes over there. It's a mind-blowing experience. So, guys, now it's time for the third pool, which is Crystal Pool. It's one more thing. Which the thing what it is basically, it's like one more pool which you have to definitely see if you're coming to the Emerald Pool. Here you can see 3 pools. One I showed you the Emerald Pool first, followed by the Blue Pool. Now it's the Crystal Pool. So as you can see, it's still again full jungle only. Everywhere there are trees, there are snakes, everything. Let's check it out. Is it worth watching the Crystal Pool as well? This is the Crystal Pool. This is around 3 to 5 meters in depth, and it receives water from the Emerald Pool and other water sources. Okay, so as you can see, this is the pool, and this is greenish in color, and I don't think it's worth that much. Emerald Pool is a must pool, and it's a lovely pool, guys. So that's it about this Crystal Pool. See you. Bye bye. Now guys, now we are heading back towards the exit. It will take you approximately about 1 hour to 2 hours depending on your age. For young people, it's going to take you just 1 hour to cover everything. For 40 plus age people, it's hardly going to take you around 2 hours to complete everything. It's full greenery over here and it's amazing experience. So we'll show you at the exit again. See you. Bye bye. Guys, so we are finally at the exit, and as you can see, there are just 3 pools to cover. Firstly, you have to cover the Crystal Pool, then you have to cover the Emerald Pool, then you have to cover the Blue Pool, and that's it, guys. That's it for the day. If you have anything, do like, share, comment, and follow me for more such videos. See you. Bye bye.